Do you need a refrigerator repair in White Plains? Congratulations, you come to the right place. Hi, my name is Anthony Attanasio and I am the Chief of Staff at the Appliance Doctor. I know when a refrigerator is out, it's an emergency and you need service right now today. And that's where the Appliance Doctor can help. Most of our repairs are completed on the first visit because our trucks are stocked with the most common parts. Our technicians receive quarterly training to stay up to date on the latest changes in the industry. All our employees are also background checked and drug tested to protect your family. Do you want service today before you lose all that food? Do you want to be able to get your refrigerator up and running tonight? Well, why not give us a call right now and let's see if we can make that happen. Give us a call at 1-800-339-0353. That's 1-800-339-0353, and let them know that Anthony, the Chief of Staff, told you to call. You just can't beat that service.